Automated robotic arms use sensors to identify and harvest ripe broccoli heads. This precise technology increases harvest speeds while significantly reducing labor costs overall. Mechanical fingers lift young seedlings and carefully transplant them into prepared soil. This system ensures optimal plant spacing and improves overall crop growth yields. A precision grinder uses rotating wheels to smooth and polish welded joints. It creates a seamless, strong finish that is essential for structural integrity. A sharp plane glides over wood to shave off paper-thin smooth veneers. This traditional technique creates high-quality wood layers for fine, durable furniture making. A specialized roller presses intricate decorative patterns onto soft, pliable material continuously. This creates detailed designs with impressive speed and consistency. A circular saw blade attached to a pole quickly cuts through trees. This tool offers a safe and efficient way to clear unwanted vegetation. A high-pressure aerosol nozzle allows for quick and precise spray painting. The system provides uniform coverage while reducing paint waste during application. This automated blade system slices large volumes of material into thin strips. It delivers extreme precision while minimizing waste during production. This specialized machine uses high-pressure water to deep clean rubber floor mats. It offers a thorough solution for maintaining cleanliness in high-traffic vehicles. A simple tool uses compressed air to open holes in plastic ground covers. This quick method prepares rows for planting while maintaining moisture and warmth. A robotic laser precisely repairs or adds material to a large gear. This advanced technology ensures cost-effective maintenance by extending the component's lifespan. A precision cutting wheel slices through bundled steel bars with absolute ease. This automation ensures perfect lengths every time for consistent construction results. This tool sands away unsightly textured surfaces from ceilings with powerful suction. It ensures clean, efficient results while minimizing dust in the room. This machine uses precision blades to carve accurate gear-like teeth into metal. This process guarantees smooth operation and long-term durability for machinery. A rotating machine uses an abrasive pad to smooth worn-out tire surfaces. This technique is effective for restoring performance and improving grip. A hydraulic machine forces metal into a complex mold to create parts. The high-pressure forging process ensures superior durability and structural integrity. This pressure cooker uses high-temperature steam to soften tough agave plants for processing. It efficiently prepares the raw plant matter for later tequila production stages. A clever self-leveling device holds an angle grinder for consistent metal surface cleaning. It provides uniform results across long sections of steel. A computer-controlled lathe spins metal discs to form them into precise shapes. This spinning process creates strong, uniform parts with high structural integrity quickly. A special cart uses air pressure to evenly distribute bedding for dairy cattle. This automation saves time and keeps animal living environments clean and hygienic. An industrial machine uses precise stitching guides to form and shape baseball caps. Automated assembly provides uniform, high-quality results that manual methods simply cannot match. A mechanical claw lifts heavy logs and places them into a chipper. This powerful automation dramatically increases processing speed and operator safety. A hydraulic ram pushes logs through a sharp, fixed splitting wedge blade. This efficient method quickly processes firewood while minimizing manual physical labor. A gas-powered roller melts adhesive backing to create a watertight roofing seal. Heat-fused seams prevent leaks, ensuring long-term protection for the building's entire structure. A multi-spindle machine carves intricate spiral designs into multiple wooden pillars simultaneously. This automated carving process ensures perfect matching for high-end architectural design projects. This rotary vessel uses steam to cook and process grain in bulk. The tilting mechanism makes it easy to unload product for packaging. A computer-guided laser beam melts through thick metal with extreme accuracy. Laser cutting eliminates manual labor and minimizes scrap for efficient material usage. A rotating abrasive wheel uses controlled friction to sharpen dull knife blades precisely. This sharpening process restores a keen edge, extending the useful lifespan. A heavy-duty forestry cutter uses rotating teeth to grind fallen logs into mulch. This clearing technology efficiently reduces large wood waste into manageable, reusable landscaping material. A rolling machine uses high pressure to bend flat steel into uniform cones. Cold forming accurately creates industrial-grade components with high structural strength and reliability. A motorized ring wraps plastic film around a box for secure shipping. Automatic tensioning keeps items protected, which minimizes damage during long-distance freight transit. A heavy-duty press uses massive force to bend thick steel beams effortlessly. This method significantly streamlines the shaping of structural metal components. This machine automatically separates pine nuts from their protective woody cones. It efficiently processes large harvests while saving workers from tedious labor. A technician uses a concentrated cleaning solution to blast away engine debris. This method effectively removes stubborn grease, ensuring a thorough and clean overhaul. A high-speed machine uses lasers to perfectly seal and package these card decks. Automated packaging ensures product consistency while drastically boosting total daily production throughput. A copper coil uses induction heating to harden gear teeth for durability. Rapid, localized heat treating creates long-lasting components that resist heavy mechanical wear. A precision drill creates perfectly positioned, clean holes in metal components. Automated cooling ensures high accuracy and prevents overheating during machining. This machine uses controlled force to perfectly align and seal metal caps. It provides a fast solution for creating reliable, airtight product seals. A rotary blade slices a potato into a continuous, thin, uniform sheet. This automated approach achieves perfect precision that's impossible to do manually. An industrial press uses precise metal molds to shape material into components. This automated process ensures consistent quality for high-volume parts production. A pneumatic tool removes fine wood shavings with a burst of air. This simple cleaning technique prepares intricate wood surfaces for further detailing. This custom stamping machine shapes flat metal blanks into uniform spoons quickly. It delivers high-speed production while ensuring each piece is identical. A high-tech milling machine carves complex, precise shapes from solid metal blocks. It offers unmatched accuracy for creating intricate, high-quality industrial components. A high-speed CNC cutter uses coolant to carve precise parts from metal. It achieves extreme detail and smooth finishes in a single pass.